Hello YouTube, I'm David with the David West channel. Have you ever noticed the Fatwood bearing block that I use for bow drill all the time? If you don't have access to great Fatwood like I do, maybe you can find a Virginia pine that has a gall on it. Many times these galls are just full of Fatwood. Let's check this one out. Yeah, there's plenty in this one. That is two good bearing blocks. Let's try one of them out. Here's the Fatwood bearing block that I usually use, and another one just like it. And what we'll be using this morning I'm just going to use this part right here. It's got a good handle that I can hold on to. And let's go ahead and use that bow drill set that our Pocketknife made. The Stanley 10-049. I use no other tools to make this set here. Let's give it a try. I'll put a link to the video where we made this unusual looking Virginia pine set. All right, Virginia pine on Virginia pine bearing block, using a gall for a bearing block. Loblolly pine needles. Try to find a dead branch if you're going to harvest a gall for a bearing block, but sometimes a green branch will work. Good. Try to keep this in frame. That did a good job. All right, y'all, do me a favor. Before you leave my channel, please subscribe, hit the notification bell, and in that drop-down list, select all. And do give the video a like. I appreciate you joining me on this one. We'll catch you on the next one. That is well coalesced. It stayed one solid piece when I dumped it in there. That is exactly what you're trying to do by giving it time to coalesce.